Hello, this is the latest in our talks with our former students, Alumni. So today we have Samira Mohamed Ali, who is an award-winning actress. I've been doing a bit of research on you. So we'd like just to get a bit of background, how you came to come to the college, your experience here, and what you're up to now, basically.
Yeah, so when I came to the college, I actually studied childcare, and I was set on becoming a primary school teacher, and I loved it. I loved the course, I loved the lecturers, met some fantastic friends here, which I'm still friends with. Yeah. And then everything changed after doing that course. Sort of life takes over. Yeah. I ended up working for a bank, and then from the bank then I had an opportunity to work in a production unit. It was an internal communication department, which was in London. Yeah. And it was a fantastic experience. And then from there, just a few years on, I had an opportunity to be part of, well, one of the largest film and TV industries in the world then.
Yeah, I think you're underestimating who you are. Quite big in the world of Bollywood.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, huge in fact. So can you tell us a bit how obviously your experience with Bollywood and how really you've come back to Wales and Neath in particular to partnership with us for the International Film Festival, which is due to kick off in September.
Well, I was really lucky. I got given an opportunity for a casting, and I went to that casting. It was just a cameo role as a beauty queen. Yeah. And I thought, well, this is fantastic. It's in India, it's across the other side of the world. Yeah. It's nowhere I'd ever been before. And when I went into that casting, I give it my all, and I don't come from a drama background or, I hadn't had any castings before that. So I give it my all. I went back to my hotel room and I had a phone call saying that I had lead role in this huge franchise film.
Oh my gosh.
And from that moment, I didn't quite realise how big that was. Yeah. Until I went downstairs in the lobby area of my hotel and I got swamped basically. Yeah. And everywhere I went from then on, things just changed drastically, and it was amazing. It was such an amazing experience. I was out there for nearly 5 years, had a huge team. So I had nearly 30 staff for me, which was amazing. Hairdressers, beauticians, drivers, security, just the whole team to make everything happen. Yeah. And as an actress, that was not my plan to be an actress. I was really thrown in.
Actress.
Yeah, and just thrown in to learn all these scripts in different languages and learn all this different dialect and be in a different culture and with people in an industry that I didn't really understand. But it was fantastic. I learned so much.
Wonderful. Okay, so obviously what's going to happen as part of the International Film Festival, and can you tell us a bit about that?
So Wales International Film Festival is going to be in Neath now for the next 3 years. We've done a partnership for 3 years. It'll be held in the Gwyn Hall. That platform is not just for filmmakers and industry people. We want people, especially in the area, to benefit from that platform. So if you have any aspiration of being in film, script writing, acting, directing, even the beauty world, the beauty side of it, there's a lot of jobs and there's a lot of networking going to be happening. So that's the 23rd and 24th of September in Neath Gwyn Hall.
Excellent.
And it's going to be so busy.
It's going to be brilliant.
It's going to be amazing.
And we're involved quite heavily in that as well, because we're obviously one of the sponsors. I know you're going to be looking to work with our students as well.
Yeah, well, the most exciting part and really the ethos of Wales International Film Festival is to work with students and nurture people in the industry as well, in understanding that you can have a career. A lot of people in the industry still get put off thinking, is there going to be enough work? Should I go down this career path? Yeah. But if you're creatively driven and you're working hard in that industry, then of course there's work. There's a lot of work. There's a lot of film production happening in Wales in general. It's not just our platform. It's very, very busy in the last few years. You know, there's so many big productions that are coming to Wales now. So I am encouraging people to really go into the TV and film industry because it's such an exciting
it's been good to
journey.
you, isn't it?
And, you know, you do work hard. You know, those 5 years I was in India, I didn't sleep much. I don't sleep much now because I have a baby.
Good training, yeah.
That was my prep.
Definitely.
But, you know, if you're driven and you're passionate about something that you're doing, you don't mind actually that sacrifice of hard work and long hours. And when I say long hours, you know, you're talking maybe 18, 20 hours a day, especially if you're on production.
Wow.
But it's when it all comes together and you see that final piece of filmmaking, it's fantastic. It really is.
I know you've been involved with a few Welsh films as well, haven't you? And I think you were nominated for an award in the Cannes Film Festival.
Yes.
So that must have been amazing.
Yeah, so I've been out to Cannes Film Festival a few times, and it is glitzy and glamorous, but there's a lot of business that happens there.
A lot of networking.
It is. And when you're out there, they've picked days, it's like 4 or 5 days that it always rains.
It's like Wales.
It's when you come back, it's sunny. But yeah, Cannes Film Festival is such a great place, and one of the films that got nominated out there, they picked me as the actress in that film, so it was so fantastic to go out and just be part of all that process as well. It was really good.
Amazing. And I know you're very proud of your roots. I know you were, I think, born in Dubai, and then you came to Neath as a teenager. But I know, speaking to you in the past, you've got quite fond memories of the college, Neath College in particular, and the staff and students. And we're just grateful that you've given us some of your time today. And hopefully we can be doing a lot more work with you and our students get involved in the film industry. So thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Neath College has been fantastic, and it just gives you the foundation to really set you up. I know I didn't use my course as such, but a lot of the skill sets that you take away from whatever you do here, and also the people that you meet, because you're in a bubble from school. When you come out of that bubble and you come into a college setting, you just meet a whole bunch of people that you don't really, you know, that you wouldn't have maybe met before. So for me, that, I've got a lot of fond memories.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Oh, it's lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And look forward to the film festival.
Thank you.
Thank you.